Hey guys, welcome to my channel Launcher. Here we are for the unpacking of the HP wired keyboard K300. As you can see the box, actually I've already unboxed it. So there are two features. As you can see here, I'll show you. So here it is LED lighting. It has LED light, okay, and height adjustment. It's a gaming keyboard with no ghosting features as well. And this is the back side of the box. Okay, so let me show you. Wait. So specification connection type is wired, USB wired. Okay, number of buttons 104. Button press distance 2.0 mm. Button press force 50 grams. Rated voltage DC 5 volts or 250 mA. Okay, number of multimedia buttons it has 6, which is combination with FN key. It's a combination with FN key. Okay, so this comes with a cable length of 1.8 meters. Okay, and that is about it. So now you know where it is manufactured and everything is detailed. The price is around MRP 1799. I got it for 1499 from Amazon. And the part number, when it was manufactured, I got it in June 18. Okay, there are other details. Okay, so this is something it has come up. See this product warranty card. Okay, so some product notice. Okay, something product support if you require any support. So, and this one is a quick start guide K300. And what's in it's you can see overview of the device, and then the features, techniques. The buttons are there, multimedia button. Second is LED indicators, PVC cable, keyboard leg, Teflon fit, and other features like connection type and everything which I've explained in earlier. At the back of the box it was written the same thing is here. The package contents are HB wired keyboard, quick installation guide, this guide, warranty card, universal support card, and product notice. So on the next page, the system requirements: Windows 2000, Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, Mac operating system, and hardware installation. Connect the wired keyboard to the USB port of the computer. The computer will automatically detect. It's a plug and play, guys. Upon the connection, keyboard can be used right away. So 4.2 it is saying that disable the Windows start function with the use of FN key and Windows lock key to prevent unexpected interruption during the gaming session. To reactivate the Windows key, simply press the combination of FN key and the Windows lock key again. So it means like we have to press FN key which is there in this keyboard. I will show you that FN key, and you have to press the Windows key during the gameplay. So it will lock all the communications, like if you accidentally press your Windows key and say you misfired somewhere or something happened, you killed in the PUBG game or whatever game you are playing. Okay, so this will not in happening over here. Okay, so moving forward, there are, these are sort of keys, and Fn plus F1. If you press Fn, see, if you press Fn plus F1, so the function will be mute. Okay, Fn plus F2 decrease the volume, Fn plus F3 increase the volume, Fn plus F4 play and pause. Okay, Fn plus F5 is the previous. If you are on browser, you can press Fn plus F5. You will be going back to the previous browser or this thing. Okay, going forward, it's a next in the browser, whatever you have visited website and all, so it will do next. Okay, so Fn plus F12, it will be switching between the game mode and the work mode. It is the same as it will switch off all communication, all notifications, coming on your game menu, so there won't be any interruptions for you during your gameplay. So there is in this thing on the keyboard, you can decrease the brightness of the LED and increase the brightness. For that, you have to press Fn plus pad 2. Pad 2 means number pad 2. Understood? So it's a number pad 8 to increase the brightness. To decrease the brightness, pad 2, Fn key plus pad 2, decrease the brightness. And there is also what we call that backlight breathing effect in it. So if you want that, you have to press, see here it is written, press the Fn key plus F2 to combination to decrease the brightness 50% until the light get turned off. Press Fn plus F8 key combination increases the brightness until 50%, and then it until the backlight breathing. So if you press 2 times, I guess, no, if you press 3 times, okay, Fn plus F8, okay, it will give you breathing effect. Because if you press 1 time, it will the light will be little dimmer, and next time if you press, it will be little brighter. So after on the 3rd time if you press, it will give you the breathing effect. So guys, let's move on to your next this thing. I'll just keep this aside. Okay, I have already installed the keyboard. You can see here this keyboard is already installed. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to start my PC, okay, and turn off the lights here so that you can see the LED light effects. So you can see the LED, how beautiful LED it looks. Okay, I'll just give some shadow, because if you do this in night, it will be very beautiful, guys. Because last night I've seen the breathing effect and all, it looks very beautiful. So as I was saying, like, you can increase and decrease the brightness. So here is the Fn key, guys. I'm pressing Fn key plus a number pad 2. It will decrease the brightness. You see, it's very light. You can't even notice right now. In the night time, you will be able to notice. If you're playing movies or something like that, at a time when you don't require that much light, you can do these things. Also, if you press again Fn plus F2, it will turn off the lights. Okay, then you have to press again Fn plus F8 to turn on the light. Then again if you press, it will become more brighter. See, it has become more brighter. Okay, and again if you press Fn plus F8, it will give you breathing effect. See now, see, lights are coming, going. So this is nice. It looks nice in the night. So I really love this keyboard because the feel which it gave me, it's like awesome. Like I like this effect much. See guys, with the lights. No, we can't see now. See, it looks nice and nice, I can say. So guys, I'm starting the game PUBG so that I can show you the keyboard how it works. So game is starting, just hold on guys. So guys, just hold on for a while. Game is starting. Game is started guys. See here. It's very fast, I can say, as compared to earlier. Game is going guys. God knows these guys are going to take me where. I bought this, keyboard basically, in the night. I was having a lot of trouble finding my keys by, like closing my lights and all. So it used to become very difficult for me to, like to play the games without lights. So now I can play the games without lights, guys. And this keyboard is very nice because as compared to the other keyboards, like many other brands are there, new upcoming brands. I don't like those that much LED in it, and this is nice. Like, and if I press any key, it's give me a very instant effect. Like, I don't know, because comparatively earlier, my earlier keyboard used to have G. Will let you know, G100S. Okay, so that was also nice. It like after 2 3 years, I changed my keyboard. See, guys, it's very fast, I can say. As compared to the other keyboard, I don't know, this the effect is very fast. That is what I have found a difference between those keyboards, which is Logitech's gaming keyboard G100S and this one. See, even in window, I can directly go. Earlier, I have to press two times a key in that keyboard. So here, like, it's like amazing. I find it very easy to play right now. See, I'm jumping directly here and directly here. I think somebody is firing there. I'll let them fight, man. We'll pick some medipacks. Okay, we'll change the gun. See. Take. So this is about the gameplay, guys. Okay. I hope you have understood, and you, now you can choose which keyboard you want to go for. But if I want to give you my review about this thing, this is a nice keyboard. You should go for it, and it is backed by HP. You know about HP, they are producing very nice brands. So definitely, guys, you go for this keyboard. You know, other than those keyboards in market which gives you a lot of light effects, and this is what is required only your names are like lighted up, and if you see in night it will be very helpful for you, and there won't be much lightning in your room. So that's it from my side, guys, and hope you have liked this video. Okay, do subscribe me my channel and like this video if you really liked it, and do comment if you found something I should change in my next video. Definitely I would like to improve on whatever mistakes I have done this in video. And thank you guys, have a nice day.